This is the third stop on your Astra tour, the Products tab. It encompasses sales and ads data, inventory data, catalog information, and more. We'll explore all of these data types and how you can use them to make highly effective data-driven decisions. So let's get into it. This is the first subtab in the Products dashboard called Sales and Advertising. We'll be walking through the remaining subtabs as well, so don't worry. Just like the main dashboard, here you can choose between line charts for a visual overview or dive into the raw numbers with a click. More importantly, however, you can see a full performance breakdown for each of your individual products below. Of course, you'll find all the standard metrics you expect, like total sales, units sold, profit, ACoS, ad spend, etc. But Astra truly shines with its custom metrics. Innovative metrics like total ACoS per ASIN or tacos and ad sales share are very helpful for giving you a more holistic picture of your business. This is because they combine sales and advertising data. Tacos and ad sales share help you answer crucial questions like, are you relying too heavily on ads for sales? If your ad sales share is too high, you might need to focus on boosting organic sales. If your tacos is too high, your overall profitability is likely suffering as you don't have organic sales. With just an ACoS or ROAS metrics, you'd only be able to understand ad performance. Even with a good ACoS or ROAS, your overall profitability might be suffering without strong enough organic sales, and you wouldn't be able to know that if you looked at ACoS or ROAS alone. To pull up a graph on the product level, you can click here and select your metrics and time frame. You can also view a numeric breakdown in more of a P&L format. Although Astra is a PPC platform, it doubles as an equally powerful analytics platform as well. On the next subtab, we have Inventory. The Inventory tab provides a complete view of your stock levels, sales history, and estimated days of supply for each product. An extremely helpful feature, especially when you have a larger catalog, is setting a pause advertising threshold to automatically pause ads when inventory dips below a set point. This comes in handy to ensure you never run out of stock. Simply click here and enter the threshold you want. If you want ads to pause when the product hits 30 days of supply, you would simply input 30. The Catalog tab's main purpose is to allow you to input your cost of goods sold. Astra already takes into account all your Amazon fees, so by adding your product's cost of goods sold, you can get accurate profit data. You can see your profit data back in the Sales and Advertising subtab. In the Product Group tab, you can think of the Product Group tab as a filing cabinet, or a secret weapon for organization. It lets you group similar products based on factors like profitability, price, or life cycle, but you can group them in whatever way makes the most sense. To show you how it works, simply give your group a name. Add the products you want to include, and you're done. Now, you can analyze data for that specific product group and see the combined performance of your group products with just a few clicks. You can also easily add your product groups to your campaigns, saving you time in the long run compared to selecting products individually. For those with larger catalogs, this can be really helpful, but for those with smaller catalogs, it may not be as important to you. Ultimately, you have the freedom to choose what makes sense for you and your business. So far, we've explored the dashboard, your central hub for monitoring your macro account performance, the Strategies tab, your station for defining strategies and creating campaigns, and the Products tab that unlocks the data you need for actionable decision-making. If you're ready to unlock even deeper insights and streamline your workflow, let's move on to the next stop where we'll explore the powerful insights and tools sections of the platform.